Good afternoon. It is November 6th, 2023, and today we had a range day. Really, the biggest move in here was a downward move to the measured move, where we formed a double bottom and we've been rallying back within the range. But it's fairly low, at least for as long as I've been in this market. Only 20 points. It's pretty small range. Um, so I would call it a range day. Yeah, 25 points. It's 12:06, so things could happen between now and market close. But here's how I saw it. In the overnight, we had this range, or not this range, this channel up. A lot of overlap, not a really good channel to trade. You have a break, two legs down, and probably one leg up, so two legs within that leg, and then a second leg up right at the open. Um, Probably the biggest bull bar right there, 13 ticks. No, this one's 18. So anyway, there's just not really a lot of information here, but when we break out and we fail, okay, you think maybe it's a range day. First entry, second entry short right at the highs. I like that setup. Big bearish bar. And all this overlap right at the midline. You can't really take any of that. I don't like any of this. You get this like micro double top right here, but I don't think you can take that. Not enough information on where this price is going. Although it kind of looks like a smaller range, like that, but I still think that's risky. Anyway, we come down, we test the lows, and you get a big bullish bar on a higher low. That looks pretty good. We're not clearly in a downtrend. We're not clearly in an uptrend. We're ranging, so I think that looks like a pretty good setup. Right at this midline now, just some confusion. You got a second leg up, so this is clearly one leg, two legs up, and then we just go sideways a bit. And you can see there's some type of like channel in here, and honestly, it looks like a overshoot that led to a break. And then we form this channel down, and this was the strongest channel of the day, in my opinion. I don't see how you would get in on it. There's so much overlap and congestion, but the bias was down. You could feel that it was a downward move. When we break out lower, you get a first entry, second entry that fails. Yeah, I mean, usually you'd be thinking, let's buy the higher low, but this was a downtrend, and we're making new lows. This low was lower than this low. This low is lower than this low. These highs are lower than the previous highs. So there's information telling you that we're going lower. I think this is a reasonable setup to take, and it turns out to be a good move. And we hit the measured move. We make two legs up, then two legs back down. You get a second entry short right here, and we form this double bottom at the measured move. You get a higher low. Maybe you take that. And now we're back within the range, and we're just going sideways. So really a pretty boring day. And I think personally I needed that just to remind me that you can never let this market lull you to sleep, as Mack says. The past couple weeks, perhaps the past 3 weeks, I don't know. Yeah, 17 days, 13 trading days. It's been very easy to read the market. These have been trend days. And today was the first time in a while that we get a nice little boring range. that reminds you why you need to get good at this. So I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.